Good morning, guys. It's kilobytes. Call sign Whiskey Romeo Foxtrot Charlie 907 on the GMRS and KO6 ELH on the amateur. So um, I want to. I have a new radio. I have two radios that I use. By the way, I'm CERT from the CERT, San Jose CERT. So, guys, this is my favorite radio to use, especially when it's CERT, when I'm using CERT. There's two radio, guys, that for communication, and especially for the GMRS, we're using MERS, FRS, GMRS, and amateur. So, but on the GMRS world, so guys, I'm using a radio that has a capable radio. So this is the Alliance, guys. This is my favorite radio. So this radio is my favorite to use, especially on CERT, because this one, guys, is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. So, guys, as a part of the CERT, so um, I use this when it comes to ruggedness, tough, like the Wushun 1000, Wushun KG935G, guys. So this is my favorite compared to this. This one is waterproof. This one is not Type C. So the KG935G, guys, is not waterproof. It's only like excuse me. It's not like the ruggedness like this. So guys, this one, it's waterproof, shockproof, dustproof, and Type C battery, guys. So this radio has a Type C. So the good thing about this, guys, is the battery, it lasts long compared to this. So the difference between these, guys, is this one. I like this one. Sorry about that. That's my son. So this one is a lot better compared to this. Battery wise, this is more compared to this. And I carry three radios, guys, on my CERT bag. So I have my GMRS, the TID radio, I have the small antenna, and then I have the big antenna. So my CERT bag, carry it here with this, and or this one, or the Alliance, guys, the Alliance, this one. So I put it right here because this one is waterproof. So here, and my amateur, guys, is I put it right here. So I carry on my CERT bag. My radio, it's right here, GMRS and amateur, guys. So I carry both. Sometimes on the GMRS, guys, I change this one to the Alliance, but most of the time, guys, I carry the Alliance. So these three radios that I carry most of the time. So I just change them. So just in case of emergency, guys, I had this radio that I carry on my CERT bag. So guys, so I'm from the CERT, SG CERT. So guys, I carry these radios, but most of the times this too, guys, because this one is the durability, the ruggedness. Um, this one is a lot better for me, for all around, guys. This one doesn't have a Type C battery, so um, when I carry my radio, guys, uh, I have my charger. So my Type C charger I carry, guys. So I just plug it in. So with this, so I charge it on my car or in any socket. So I carry this one too, guys. So just put it right here. And then while I'm driving, I carry this, guys. So on my Type C, so I carry here. So I have my charger. So while I'm driving, guys, so I have it here. So rather than carrying the socket on my GMRS, so this is my GMRS. Rather than carrying this, I carry this because it's charging. It's a Type C charging, and also this radio, it's a Type C. The TED radio, it's a Type C also. So it's right there. It's Type C, GMRS, and amateur. So I have amateur. My amateur is white. My GMRS is black. So I am not, confused while I'm carrying the radios. So I know if I'm using GMRS, I'm using the black radios. If I carried amateur radios, especially the TED radio, I carry the white radios. So I have like 4 black radios on the GMRS, and then I have 4 white on the amateur band. So I carry this, guys, most of the time. But when I go like, on training like this, I carry this one. Just in case of any emergencies, guys. This is the best radios right now on the market. I guarantee it, guys. So, excuse me. These Alliance or Alliance, something like that, but this is from Retivis, I think. So, this one, guys, is made from China, but the durability, the ruggedness, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, guys. This one is best compared to the Wushan. The Wushan is almost $135, $140. This one is 44. But if you have two, like almost $100 for two. So if one, you could pay like almost $30 to $40. Excuse me. So and then this one has 2 radios for $55. So as a part of the CERT team, I recommend this this on CERT. So this one you could change the antenna. You could change the antenna, it's the same thing. As long as you have a GMRS license, guys, you could carry. So on CERT, as part of the CERT, so we carry FRS, GMRS, MERS, and amateur, and also sometimes CBs. So we're doing net, so once a month. So just in case we test our communications, we test our radios, we charge our radios like that, guys. So we're part of the CERT team. So yeah, it's worked pretty good for us as a member, as a telecommunication on CERT. So guys, it's good. I recommend these radios to carry all the time. So there's a lot of good radios, guys. There's a bunch of good radios, amateur, GMRS, FRS. But guys, I highly recommend this one, guys. The Alliance. So even though I'm inside the house, my repeater is on the mountain. So I could plug it in on my CERT, so my team. So I could switch. So I could punch it in here, change the channel. I could change the channel here too. So when I go to my repeater, I just like turn, and then there's a sound. So there you go, guys. My Bridgecom repeater, the Musketeers. It's a Bridgecom GMRS repeater. It's on the mountain. WRFC 907 testing. I could key it up inside my house with the Bridgecom system. Is on the mountain. It's active on the mountain right now. I'm inside the house with this one. So with the with the Wouxun, guys. See, I could key it up. So both radios. So yeah, I carry most of the time, guys, with my CERT bag. So all the time. With my amateur, guys, especially on C4FM, guys, I carry. So I have like 3 C4FM, 2 FT70, and then 1 FT5D, guys. But I like this one, guys, because this one is my favorite. The battery won't last long, but on my hand, as a CERT, I like this one better, guys, because it's not that big compared to the other radios, guys. So the smaller, the more the better, guys. So I'm comfortable with this. It's wide compared to this. So yeah, I carry this one, guys. So I carry both with my power adapter, with this, or cigarette lighter, with my bag, on my CERT bag, guys. So my amateur. So all the time, guys, my amateur is on my left side. When this is my amateur bag, my CERT bag. So when I turn, so this is my bag, guys. When I turn, so my CERT bag, so it's here. So like that. It's on my left side. See, right side. So when facing back, it's on the left side, right side. So my amateur is on the right side when facing on the back. So I know if it's amateur or not. So I could grab right away. Grab. So it's on the right, and my GMRS. So this one, I carry this one all the time, guys, because the battery, it's good. So I put this on my car just in case, guys. I have extra radios. So this, so I clip this on my Velcro, on my belt. So when I carry, guys, I have my belt buckle on my GMRS. This is the one that I carry all the time. My amateur and my GMRS, it's just in case, guys. So most of the time, guys, I use this. So even though you drop it, even though you know everything, like everyday carry, this one is rugged. The durability, guys, is good compared to the other radios, compared to this. But this one is good though. I change this most of the time if I have training, or just in case of any emergencies like that. So yeah, guys, I recommend this one just in case you have the old one. The old one is still pretty good, but the best of the best of the best, the Olians, guys, from Retrievers. This is a brand new radio. I have this for almost like 2 months now, but I didn't blog. I didn't use it yet. I use it so many times, but I didn't blog it because it's been a while, because I was busy on my training from the CERT. So yeah, I highly recommend, guys, the Olians. All right, Hope you like it and hope you learn from me. Peace.